The Samsung CF791 is a colossal 34-inch curved widescreen monitor that combines a high refresh rate, fast response time, and FreeSync technology into one package, with the intention to promise you many unslept nights that were caused by gaming. Since gamers are always ready to upgrade their existing battle station with different monitors, we at 10 Best Ones, like many times before, have decided to review a monitor for you that justifies its price tag. So, let's not lose any time and get in quickly into action in order to understand why did we actually put this monitor on our must-have list. From a design perspective, the Samsung CF791 measures 31.8 inches in width, 20.3 inches in height, and 12.2 inches in depth when attached to a stand. The cabinet is covered with a white finish and features a 1500R curvature that makes it ideal for pairing with another monitor. So, if you want to expand your view, then you shouldn't miss this opportunity. At the back of the cabinet, there is a DisplayPort input, one USB 3.0 and two HDMI 2.0, which are facing downward. It also has two USB 3.0 ports, a headphone jack, one small joystick controller, and more. The amount of ports is pretty good in my opinion, because there are quite many and are more than enough to let you hook up additional devices such as monitor, PCs, and game consoles. The bottom edge of the cabinet houses two 7-watt speakers that can produce a decent sound, but if you look for a better sound reproduction or a well-defined bass, then I'd suggest you use your external headphones or speakers. The whole cabinet is supported by a circular stand and arm that will let you tilt the monitor up between -14 degrees to 22 degrees and down from -2 degrees to 34 degrees. In addition, in the box you will find the VESA mounting kit as well, so you can attach the monitor to it without any problem if you want to enhance your viewing position and free up some desk space. Anyways, let's talk about its performance and features which make the monitor unique from any perspective. The CF791 screen has an Ultra WQHD resolution or 3440 by 1440 in terms of pixels, which is 2.5 times more pixel density than a Full HD monitor. This is fascinating due to the fact that it makes the image quality incredibly sharp and gives you a wider screen workspace for your ultimate user experience. You can especially recognize this if you're moving from a smaller Full HD monitor, where you didn't have enough space for opening many tabs, or you were obliged to zoom when you were working with spreadsheets and similar large files. With this monitor, this would be just a distant past. Before we move to the next section, I would like to inform you that the CF791 uses a VA panel, which is something that can be categorized as something between IPS and a TM panel. Users claim that they didn't have any issues with the color consistency, even if they view it from wide viewing angles, which is really cool. Moving on, the aspect ratio of 21:9 and the contrast ratio of 3000:1 are without a doubt an amazing addition to your overall user experience, because the aspect ratio will increase your multitasking capabilities, while the contrast ratio will distribute deeper blacks and brighter whites, which are very important for your gaming experience. Another great thing is the quantum dot technology that supports up to 125% of the sRGB color gamut and delivers more natural reds and greens than the conventional monitors. This technology plays a huge role in the overall monitor's performance and affects your gaming experience directly, so as a result, you can expect to see more lifelike and vivid imagery during your gameplay. Since we are talking about your gaming experience, I would like to also mention that the CF791 has an impressive refresh rate of 100 Hz and a response time of 4 milliseconds, which guarantee a flawless gameplay with minimal or no occurrences of lag at all. Moreover, this model has many picture preset modes and gaming-centric modes of which you can take an advantage. The picture presets are composed of a gamma, picture-by-picture, sharpness, contrast, 6 temperature settings, an eye saver mode, dynamic, cinema, and many others that will help you get your desired picture. I will name only two of them, the so-called picture-by-picture and picture-in-picture, which in my opinion are really useful. The picture-by-picture mode will let you connect two input sources, whether an HDMI or DisplayPort, without decreasing the image quality, while the picture-in-picture is perfect for multitasking since you can resize the second image to cover up to 25% of the screen space and position it whenever you want. The gaming-centric mode, known as the game mode, can be accessed by using the joystick, and you will have three choices, such as off, on, and always on. I'd recommend you use the on mode on this monitor because it is power efficient. This mode will optimize and enhance the visuals of the game you play, especially if it is a first-person shooter game, so you will surely see some improvements. If you really want to see improvements, I suggest you take advantage of the FreeSync technology, which will completely erase the screen tearings and make your gameplay way more smoother. The shades and the black lever uniformly in darker games such as Batman, Dark Souls and Thief look exceptionally good. To be more precise, darker games are kind of more immersive, and this monitor presents them in a specific, addicting way. Anyways, overall, I highly recommend you take this monitor into consideration due to its curved design, its fast refresh rate and quick response time, which are an amazing combination for gaming, so it's definitely a great monitor. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If you want to find out the price and more information about this monitor, you can check out the links down in the description and the comment section below. And if you have any questions related to it, you can leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you again for watching and I'll see you in the next video.